Dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, we are in the middle of a spring season. The chill winter has now subsided, paving way for a scorching summer. Fortunately, now we are in the transition period of the season, so-called spring, which would be loved by everyone, enjoyed by everyone, despite of any age difference. If we just walk down to a garden nearby, or at least get out of the premises we reside in, we would definitely know that the wind blows and the trees shed their leaves, particularly dead leaves, leaves that have outlived their usefulness, leaves that have become a burden on the trees. Shedding of those leaves shows that the trees are alive and healthy. I repeat, shedding of those leaves shows that the trees are alive and healthy. They need to shed their leaves in order to produce new leaves, healthy leaves, to refresh themselves, to renew themselves, to live more fully, and to grow stronger and longer. Fortunately, the season of Lent coincides with the season of spring, during which the nature itself prepares for a change, a transformation. As far as we, the human beings, are concerned, who are endowed with reason and free will, the season of Lent is intended to trigger self-renewal and transformation in our lives. Someone has rightly said, the lives that are not unlocked for a change is not worthy of living. Self-renewal necessarily involves shedding our old leaves like healthy trees do, or cutting out useless fat like people who want to remain healthy do. Lent means spring, the season of renewal and transformation. A season for shedding old dead leaves and sprouting new ones, so that we may live more fully and more lively. Therefore, we need to enter the season with enthusiasm and with great expectation. Now, what are the dead leaves that we carry? What is the harmful fat that we are burdened with? For that, each one of you will have to look into yourself and find out what it is. That requires a lot of honest introspection and self-examination. Wish you all a very fruitful season of Lent. Thank you.